Yesterday was an 18-mile run, means today is an active rest day, and today is actually my girlfriend's birthday, so we went out on a hike with me, her, and her mom. The hike was 1.5 miles there, 1.5 miles back, but when we were hiking back, when there was a mile left, ended up running that mile and then met them back at the car, just so that I can get my run in, so that I can continue my streak. So I'm gonna throw the map of the hike up here, 2.14 miles, I believe, and then the map of my run up here. Active rest day, gonna chill for the rest of the day. And today's one of those days where I know I'll be consuming more calories than usual. On a normal day, I'll be consuming 2,400 to 2,600 calories in order to maintain my weight. Though today, since it's my girlfriend's birthday, I'll likely be consuming 3,500, 4,000, or even up to 5,000 calories. And it's taken me a few years to get to this point to be okay with having days like this. So I've been tracking my macros for 6 or 7 years pretty consistently. And there was a point in my life where I literally would not go out, and I would avoid a lot of foods in order to get my results. And yes, tracking macros, you know exactly what's coming in, you know exactly what's going out, you know you can manipulate all the factors in order to get the best results. Though it comes with a huge drawback, and that drawback is the bad relationship with food. And for me personally, I know that I don't have the best relationship with food, though it's gotten better over the years. And on a normal day, on a normal week, I like to track everything. I can pretty much eyeball things now. I don't have to weigh my salad. I don't have to weigh an orange or my fruit or anything like that. So it's not as bad in that sense, but for the most part, on a regular day, I still track my food. Though, when it comes to days like this, I used to not be able to completely detach. And when I would go to family parties, when I would go to weddings even, I would just be very uncomfortable and not be able to just enjoy the moment and take in the moment and make those memories. And it's taken a lot of experimentation for me. I've had to go to the severe side of it, the track everything. And now I've kind of scaled back from that, and I still track most things, as I said, though I have learned to detach at least my mind for those given days on family parties, at weddings, celebrations, birthdays. And for me, what's more important than getting after it or my physical results, because for me, I'm not a professional athlete. I don't do this for a living, and this is just a really big hobby of mine, right? And maybe if you were a professional athlete, maybe it'd be a little bit different, but for me, I'm not a professional athlete, and what's more important than my physical results and getting faster and stronger is making those memories and making that mind switch of, hey, it's okay to enjoy yourself on these, especially days like this. Because I don't want to be that person and I was that person for a while, for at least a few years, of bringing my scale around with me, going to K barbecue back when I was eating meat and weighing things. If I didn't know what was in a certain thing, I wouldn't eat it. And now it's a lot better, as I've said, and it's just one of those things that comes with the territory. Though, it's just, I feel like this is just one of those topics that not a lot of people talk about. It's just that bad relationship with food. Let me know down in the comments below. I mean, if you do religiously track your macros, how's your relationship with food? Because honestly, for me, I found that it's just one of those things, it's taboo to talk about. Though it definitely exists, and it exists for me, and in the sense of I still, as I said in yesterday's video, I still take the if it fits your macros type of approach, but if it fits your macros type of approach, how I approach it as well is that I'll make sacrifices with my food. So when I eat ice cream, I'll eat Halo Top, and it's not as good as regular ice cream. If you ever look a Ben and Jerry's, it's 1,000 calories, right? So I'm okay with that sacrifice. But at the same time, that in itself is kind of a bad relationship with food. And there are certainly foods that I don't eat anymore because of that, though there are days like this. And for some reason, for me, like when it comes to days like this, I can pretty much 99.9% completely like detach. Like we had for lunch, we had this cheesesteak shop, no guilt. Afterwards, ended up eating 3 slices of banana bread pound cake that I bought from 99 Ranch. Like no, absolutely none. But tomorrow, when it's like not a celebration anymore, my mind switches back, and I'm like, okay, I gotta get back to tracking. And it's a weird thing for me. And even like I've noticed that is it like, oh well, it's like you're so severe on one day, but then on like days like today, I'm just able to turn it off. So, well, though at the same time, it's a good thing for me personally. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below, you know, what your relationship with food is. If you've had experience tracking your macros, like let me know. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video of me rambling yet again. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video here, there's a video here. Please give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. See you all tomorrow.